We'll multiply rational expressions and then we'll simplify if possible. The multiplication that we'll be doing is a squared minus 25 over 6a times 3a over a minus 5. And the first step in the multiplication is to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So let's do that. Multiplying the numerators, so I have a squared minus 25 times 3a. And multiplying the denominators, I have 6a times a minus 5. Now we need to see if we can simplify this, and to do that I'm going to factor the numerator and factor the denominator if I can. A squared minus 25 has factors a plus 5 and a minus 5. And then I have 3a here. I'm going to write that as times 3 times a. And now I'm going to look at the denominator and also take a look at the numerator and see what kind of factoring I should do. I see that I have a 3 in the numerator and a 6 in the denominator, so I can write the 6 as 2 times 3 to show that there's a common factor of 3 in the numerator and the denominator. And then I have the factor of a, and then I also have the factor of a minus 5. And now we want to take a look and see what factors the numerator and denominator have in common. And I see that there's an a minus 5 in each place. And I see that there's a 3 in each place. I'm canceling the factors that are common to the numerator and denominator. And this is equivalent to removing a factor of 1. A minus 5 over a minus 5 is equivalent to 1. 3 over 3 is equivalent to 1. And so is a over a, so I can cancel the a's as well. And what I have left is the simplified form of this product, and that is a plus 5 over 2.